very important to have a plan, like for instance the agricultural sector plan. And I think that's the national from the other the Treasury Department who is spearheading the to make sure that we have a sector plan in place. Like for instance, the agricultural sector
So how
plan.
long did it take to make the plan? Was it 1 month or 6 months?
It took us, as you know, the procedure for doing that. We have a consultation, and then with a consultant firm to responsible for putting together the information, and that is very important to
Was
make
it
sure.
long though, or how long?
I'm not quite sure, but I think it's shouldn't be more than a year. It should be a year. So that, like for instance, the agricultural sector plan is based from our STS, the strategy
and
for
this
development.
Chinese farm was part of that plan,
and then
right?
from there, I
Demonstration
think that's
farm.
how we came up with this idea, or, which is supported by the Chinese to put up this very beautiful project that we are very fortunate to have this project, because it's really helping our improving our agriculture sector, particularly in the vegetable production.
What are you producing then?
Yeah, we have some new varieties that the Chinese introducing. You can see the radish. Yeah, radish. Not only for introducing the new vegetable varieties, but they also doing the cooking demonstration of how to use these new
Right.
vegetables.
So
In
then for
so it
food,
will be included in our daily diets for the Samoan people to resolve so many issues like the NCD, non-communicable diseases. We have the growing tourism industry, so all this will help to.
So some of the people I've talked to about the demonstration farm say that part of the challenge is that the growers are not coming to the farm. So how have you are you responding to that?
The first phase when we developed this place for this particular project, it was focused for all the farmers to come and have a look how the vegetables commercial farm can be done. So from there they kept the idea, and then the second phase we are pushing that technology out to the communities.
So you're breaking this down into smaller farms.
Yes, to a smaller farm. And then we also develop our rural station. In our rural station itself, we also put up a demonstration farm with technology and as
so
well
you've
as
got another 10 smaller versions of this around
in the community now.
And
that's
now.
the second phase.
Second phase.
Yes.
What other challenges have there been with this model of the Chinese?
Well, I think other like the health, they're looking at to combat eating healthy, and yes, that's another important thing to with this project is to encourage our community to eat healthy, more vegetables in their diets, fruits and vegetables. The other thing is to income generating opportunities for the so that we can really decrease the rate of unemployment. I mean, they have the opportunity. We have land in the community, uncultivated land. So those are the opportunities we're pushing our younger generations to take agriculture as well. Not only they will get money to assist them with their daily needs.
What about how do you see that?
Yeah, just to add on, I think this project, like Misa said, this is a combined demonstration technologies. As you see, this is very common to see to the farmers. Open field growing of vegetables instead of tunnel house. So as you see, this demonstration is to compare the open field with a tunnel house.
Yeah.
So in terms of how we bring the farmers and access on this demonstration, for the first phase we trained them, and now we still consider the farmers to come and have a look. Maybe we already schedule another visit for the other farmers, not only to go and see the successful vegetable growers, but also to come and have a look at this because we still continue to maintain this demonstration. So we still have our plan to consider the farmers to come and have a look. So the other part of the project is there. We call biogas, and now it's still waiting for another phase to continue the biogas. but I think the team will still continue to maintain the open field and new technology, what we call new technology in Samoa, tunnel house, because last 10 years we don't have any tunnel house in Samoa, so now we...
So tunnel house is basically just these structures here?
No,
Oh, down at the other side.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I think the
Have a
main,
look at that
as you
then, eh?
mentioned, the challenges is to have more farmers adopt this this technology and as well, and then the challenge from our is to increase the contribution of the overall contribution of the agriculture sector to the overall economic development of this country.
The other good thing is the land. As you see, this is very small land. You know, most of the farmers here in Samoa, they have big land. Huh? So in terms of the planning, how to plant this kind of area and plant their vegetables, so this is very important example for them. Huh? This is very small land, so they accommodate all those kind of different variety of vegetable to be planted in this very small piece of land. This is very good. When we came with the farmers, we trying to explain them planning is a good thing. Huh?
All right, thanks a lot.
Yes, that's good.